Check this out. We got the brand new Traeger grill sear grate. Let's put it to work. Super lightweight. Look at these grates. I'm so excited to throw a steak on this. Speaking of which, let's sear a tomahawk. So I already had this tomahawk with some coarse salt on it in the fridge, but we're gonna season it with the Meat Church Holy Cow. We're smoking it at 225 until 110 internal. And then we're gonna sear it at 475. Look at that, oh my God. Moment of truth, check it out. All right, let's see how we did. Separate the cap. Phew. Look at that. All right, that's awesome. Come on.